Procrastination. Because I know I'm gonna do it. Deep in the waiting game. This career is funny like that. Now then all at once, like London buses. Everyone who doubted at first starts to get excited and then questions you tenfold when nothing looks like it's happening. Maybe nothing fucking is. Maybe I'm washed up, unlike the dirty coffee cups calling me a scruffy bastard as I skip lunch to scrape the words out of my stomach. I sit and kid myself with tasks that fake the feeling of completing something. Not even for accomplishment, just to fight off anxiety, some solace in the writing that quickly turns back to violence. I'm gonna smash this typewriter to fucking bits, so I'll set fire to it. It's a liar. It laughs at me, mocking me. Kieron, you'll never be a writer. Poet from Droylsden. Ha ha ha. You know, my first poem was for my great-grand's funeral. I was 10 and I wasn't allowed to attend because Golden Boy had to work hard for the Golden Gloves. From what I've heard, it went down well. Not a dry eye in the place. I wouldn't know. I was busy getting punched in the face equally as character building. I've got a habit of being in the wrong rooms at the right times, fighting my way through things that I pretend I didn't know I was hiding. Everyone loves an underdog, like everyone wants to be working class except the working class. I'm not even going to go there. Clueless, out of touch, idiotic excuses of why all struggle is the same. Fuck off. Poor things, poor people, poor attitudes, poorly. I'm sick. Embarrassed by my goofy smile for so many years. Why? I share the same teeth with my favourite dinner lady. Mum, our smile is worth celebrating, believe me. Now I'm getting called handsome by such lovely specimens. What the fuck is going on? Now, I was bullied from pillar to post. I've hated these features from inside my own home. Now I sit there and smile whilst I drift off, imagining all the things I was scared of. The people that scared me, the challenges that arose, fantasizing about breaking their fucking nose, but scared of the consequences. Instead, I killed them with kindness. Making people blush has quickly become my favourite thing. Now I am dependable, immovable. Lean on me for soothing approval. How interesting. I realise that typewriter is right.